Understanding, keep faith in, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, keep faith in. This phrase is not just about vocabulary, but also about understanding the cultural and emotional context in which it's used. So, let's explore together and make your English learning journey more exciting and insightful. Keep faith in is an idiomatic phrase that means to continue to believe in or trust someone or something, especially during challenging times. It's often used in situations where there's doubt or uncertainty. For example, despite the difficulties, she kept faith in her team's abilities. Here, it implies a sense of loyalty and confidence despite facing obstacles. To understand how versatile this phrase is, let's look at different contexts. 1. Personal relationships. Even though they were miles apart, he kept faith in their relationship. This shows trust in a romantic context. 2. Professional scenarios. The investors kept faith in the startup, despite initial losses. Here, it's about trust in a business's potential. 3. Self-belief. She kept faith in her dreams, regardless of the setbacks. This is about self-confidence and perseverance. It's helpful to know similar phrases and how they differ slightly in meaning. Believe in, more general, about belief in concepts or people. Trust in, focuses on reliability and dependability. Rely on, indicates dependence or necessity. Understanding these nuances helps in choosing the right phrase for the right situation. Keep faith in is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of hope, trust, and resilience. Whether in personal relationships, professional settings, or in believing in oneself, this phrase holds a powerful message. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and stay curious about the nuances of this beautiful language.